How to fix Windows 11 not activated after upgrade. 1. Activate Windows using VVS rearm command. 2. Check your edition of Windows. 3. Switch to Windows 11 Home. 4. Point 1 Locate product name at computer /HP _local _machine /software /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version in registry editor. Change the value data to Windows 11 Home single language. Locate edition ID. Then change the value data to core single language. 4.2 Locate product name. At computer /HP _local _machine /software /mouse 6432 node /Microsoft /Windows NT /current version. Change the value data to Windows 10 Home. Locate edition ID. Change the value data to core single language. 4.3 Restart your PC. 5. Use the digital product key or even run Windows Troubleshooter.